buddy.
Give me 5.
That's the word bat. Good job.
Give me 5. All right. Okay, what's that word?
Mop.
Yeah.
Give me 5.
Good job. Good job. Here's another word. Why don't you try that one?
Cat.
Yes.
Good job. Give
Good
me 5.
job, Jack.
Give me 5.
It's okay. Just take your time.
What's the first letter?
What is that letter?
I wonder what that letter is. It's an H.
Yes. What's that H say? Yes.
Hit.
Yeah. Good job. Jack, how old are you?
A few old.
All right, good job, buddy. Good job. It's February.
He's actually 2 years old.
Stop. All right. Well, that one's a tough one.
Oh, that's upside down. There you go.
Old. Hit.
No. Sound that word out. Remember, you start from this side and go over. What's this one first?
L.
What's it say?
Old.
L says ol.
Old.
L.
Lollipop.
Like a lollipop,
Ol.
yeah.
Lollipop starts with an O. So this starts with an O.
Go ahead. What's the other sounds?
Listen.
Bless you.
Thank you.
What's the I say here? Have you had enough of this business?
What's this say?
It's about bedtime. All right, Jack. See you later. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.